Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new video for the channel. In this occasion we will be talking about the day operating this challenge until take it to account. Here we are in phase 2 and well yesterday we know that it was a break even. I think I do not upload it here to the channel but we will be watching here. Remember that if you are new here and you are interested in acquire a discount with this company, I will be leaving you a link in which you can register and automatically you will get 5% discount on your first purchase, so the most affordable prices have them. Funding PIP and with that discount it becomes a little more accessible to acquire an account with them. So well, let's be talking about what was the entry yesterday and today, although we are not going to give so much focus to the entry of the day yesterday, that if it had not been break even for example here, I do not like Protect but yesterday I think of Protect and well, we already know what happened. See these sales, I entered in the best point. Best point could not have and I would have taken a 2% easily. But well nothing happens and this day we have a 1% so good because we did not get to 2%. Now we are going to be explaining here in this video, we will be explaining this entry and how it was that we took that entry. Let's go to the euro-dollar chart. Well here we have the drawn analysis, but I'm going to go to a clean chart to be able to show you what I saw in that entry and how I had taken. Let's come to 15-minute temporality. These lines that you see here were the sales that I took yesterday and I got break even but well, we will be explaining the one of the day. Now, if we realize here at this point the market was doing an accumulation before it was the London session, and if we realize here opens the London session with a downward move. And well then it ends up, this is a clear example of Judas swing, which is the ICT strategy. This was a Judas swing and from here you could have taken an entry in 1 minute temporality and this if maybe I would have given the 1 to 2 easily, but as I am now asleep. Then we cannot talk about that then we realize that the market begins to be structured to the CASTA. Here it makes our structural change. Here we can write to detect it. Here and there we have the structural change then it makes us another break to the up. Here. Boom, up that is our structural change and well then what we expected the day now. The market had already done that, is that it came here and gave us a purchase entry and that's what we saw. If we go to 5-minute temporality that was where I took that entry. We had areas where the market had to mitigate, which in this case was one of these. That was one and well that was all. To mark the structure in 1-minute temporality it was simple. The area that should break the market was this, which is where I made the entry. Here but I put a stop loss to big because I put it down here well I gave it a little margin. It was 10 pips of stop loss in case there was some movement. What I did not notice is that it was also going to be a day of very little volatility because there was no news or anything like that. Then all those factors affected that the price finally did not give that target that we wanted, and if we realize that one point I said I'm going to protect and I did not protect and see what would have happened. Why do not I like to protect? Because the price comes again close to my entry point, about to take me out. What I did was to accommodate the stop loss and in case this operation was returned, I was going to end up losing $35 which is 0.03% of the account and finally I was not going to lose all the stop loss and it was going to be valid. Because it had already given us a higher high and if I broke down is because the price did not want to continue going down and possibly in this session we see it going up. Why did I decide to close? Why did not I hold the trade if it is in my plan? Well because see how the price breaks here and makes me this candle. When I saw this candle, I said this market will fall again and see what happened. It fell again. It was a negative of my entry price and currently it is positive. We will see if it ends up meeting the whole panorama. But that was the entry of today. That was what we took in this market and this was what we got, a 1-to-1, see a 1-to-1. So well this was what I wanted to explain about today. Let's see that here we have a 100% certainty because yesterday was break even and profit. Came out of $0 and well today 1% positive. We are a little close. We are already close to that goal. We are approximately 4% away for us to arrive. Here we have the 21% completed. Let's hope that these days can also be a little good and be able to take those entries that we are looking for to show more here in the channel. Well, now for the people who are new and are interested in this company, I will be showing you a little why FundingPip is considered the best company of the moment. Well, one, because they pay every 5 days. It is the only company that pays you 5 days later. That is in a funded account. Normally the others pay you 14 days, 21 days, 28 days later. This one pays you every 5 days. It has unlimited trading days. It lets us operate as we want, and they have a scale plan. That scale plan you have to be very consistent to achieve it. But it is more worthwhile to have a big account and not be thinking about scaling. But in case you want to know how to scale, here you can read it in scaling plan and it will redirect you to all the questions. Well, and why is it considered one of the best? Because they have the most affordable prices of the moment, and they have 3 platforms that we can choose. I recommend that you choose Trader because it is the platform with more years in the market, the most stable platform, and it is the competition of Trader, we could say so, which is a platform super well developed, and well, they will not have any kind of problem with this platform. If they are from the United States, they will have to choose between MatchTrader and Trader Locker. Choose MatchTrader. Trader Locker is a very new platform compared to MatchTrader. Well, I think it works better. I've heard less complaints from this platform than this one, and from Trader there are no complaints. It is really friendly and really good. Minimum days of trading to pass the account. Well, we can pass it in 1 day. That is, if in 1 day we make the profit. We will go to phase 2. The maximum daily top is 5%. Maximum total top is 10%. The profit target for phase 1 is 8% and for phase 2 is 5%, and the leverage is from 1 to 100. We can start from $30 with the discount that I leave in the description of this video. And we can start with a 100,000 from $379. A really negotiable price, like that a 50,000 we have to 127, a 25,000 in 132, and a 10,000 in 57. All this I have been telling you with discount so that you can take advantage of that really good offer. It is the only discount that the company gives 5% because they do not give promotions only until December. So if you like to wait until December, you can do it the same way or use the discount that is left here. Any questions you have, you can also join our community, and there you will also be answered if you are in doubt about this company. If you like this video, I invite you to subscribe, react, and comment. Tell me what you like the most of this session that I have brought you today. I hope it has served you and it has been very useful. This has been all for today. See you until the next video. See you soon.